Welcome to the future of LinkedIn lead generation with ProspectrIn Ai, the first ever OSINT and AI-powered tool on JVZoo. I'm going to transform the way you discover and connect with decision makers' leads. Now, ProspectrIn Ai, it's not just a tool, it's your gateway to 950 million decision maker leads. With our true AI technology, you'll experience a remarkable 99.9% AI verified email accuracy, ensuring your outreach is effective and efficient. From real-time lead discovery on LinkedIn and Facebook to AI-powered email verification and scoring system, ProspectrIn Ai is your ultimate lead gen ally. Now, watch me as I effortlessly search for leads on LinkedIn with just a few clicks. Step number one, I just navigate to Prospect over here. Step number two, just select the LinkedIn extension from the drop down over here. Now, on the top of my screen, now I see the extension, right? And all I have to do is just go to linkedin.com. And search for, let's say we are interested to find beauty salon owner, right? Beauty salon owners. You can just put owner. I believe this is what people are going to have in their profile. Now I'm going to navigate to people. All right. Right off the gate, I have 62,000 decision makers right off the gate over here. Now, what I can do is actually also go for, let's say I'm interested in finding them in United States. So I'm going to tick this and just provide search results again. Now, the next step would be just open my my ProspectrIn Google Chrome extension and just hit start scraping. It's that simple. With a click of a button, all right, with just a few clicks, hundreds of relevant leads are at your fingertips. And now you just have to sit back, relax, and watch as ProspectrIn Ai does its magic. All right, now that it's done, all we have to do is just click on stop over here, get back to our LinkedIn, and just hit refresh on this page. It's going to take a bit because we are actually searching for all the data points that we can find on internet about all these leads before we place them into the prospector. But once you have them, you can just simply select them and move to a folder, right? For example, I have my beauty shop owners folder right here, so I can simply move them to my folder. And now in my folders, right, you can organize your leads with ease, sort them into folders, making your lead generation and lead management seamlessly and straightforward. That is step number one and step number two. Now, step number three would be to use our AI-powered outreach generator, which is going to provide you the best outreach message that you can use for this particular lead. So let's say, for example, I need to create an email outreach that sounds personal to help salon business owners grow their online marketing, right? Now I can put here beauty owners, beauty salons, marketing services, right? And just select my tone. For this purpose of the demonstration, I will leave it professional and just hit generate. Now, with just one click, our AI is going to craft compelling outreach messages, preloaded scripts, and personalized touches to ensure your communication stands out. Now, look at that, beautiful. We have our outreach message that is targeted for beauty salons. What I'm going to do is actually copy it from. Now, from here, connecting with your prospects is a breeze. Send AI-optimized email instantly, paving the way for meaningful business relationship. As you can see, our AI-powered and OSINT-ready engine is pulling up the real emails from the decision makers. As you can see, Gmail included and everything, it's verified. So these leads and emails are straightforward, verified. Now let's go ahead and use this message. Just put this boost your beauty salons online marketing with expert assistance. Now here you can also customize your email, simple as just replace the placeholders with your custom tags from here, and whatever you want to change, you can change it on the fly. And also here you can simply use custom tags to add your agent name, your agent email, your phone, your contact information, your website, so on and so forth. Once you're done, just hit save and boom, that's it. It's that simple. Now, on top of that, we also have a layer of automation. That's right. You can add integration. You can integrate seamlessly with ConvertLead and pages like pages from ConvertLead, right? And create landing pages for these businesses. Now, to make this even better, we've added a layer of integration and automation. You can integrate seamlessly with ConvertLead and pages and automate your follow-ups and nurture leads effortlessly with our unified ecosystem. That's right, we have all the automations you want inside ConvertLead as well. So you can simply go ahead here and just do as many and as distinct automation that you want. And lastly, you want to close as many leads as possible. Now, watch as leads turn into clients with our AI-driven approach that ensures you're targeting and closing the highest potential prospects. All right, now before we wrap up this demo, there's a couple of more things I want to share with you today about Prospector and ConvertLead. All right, so the Prospector is actually the way you're going to be finding all the leads using LinkedIn or Facebook. By the way, the extension of Facebook is also available. You can nurture your leads into folders over here. Very simple. But I want to deep dive into the campaign section of the CRM as well. So into the campaign section, you can actually see all of the leads that you found and also the integrations that are assigned to it. So if you click integration, you can also place a opt-in form in any of your pages, and whoever signs up are going to be landing into your opt-in form and also added to your campaigns as base of the integration. You can have multiple integrations leading onto the same campaigns. All right, you can add another integration and you can basically add Facebook lead ad, Zapier, opt-in form, webhooks, Unbounce, Instapage, ClickFunnels. All of this part you can select as integration. And also you can select which agent, the marketing agent, actually the sales rep agent that's going to get in touch with these leads. So that's something you can also do, add new integrations. And also I briefly showed you the automations process, but it's actually more to it because you can create this automation, and I want to show you exactly what's happening over here. So whenever a new lead is added to your campaign, an automation sequence starts, which means the first thing we're going to do is actually notify the agent that, hey, a new lead has just been added to our campaign. Like new lead, the lead name has been added to the pipeline. All right. So the agent, the sales rep agent knows that, hey, we got a new lead that we need to be closing, right? And also a new email automation is triggered, right? So this is going to go out to the lead as soon as they opt in. Once they have opened the email, we can change the status of the lead. Like we're going to change the new status to contacted email because we already sent the email out. And also we're going to notify the agent, hey, the first email has been sent out. So wrapping two, you can have automations into the vertical or horizontal side, and you can have as much as you want over here. So let's get jumping into the leads CRM system over here, where here you can basically go ahead and create new pipelines, right? So you can go ahead and add new, you can select which pipelines you want to list, or you can go ahead and simply create a new pipeline. So let's say lead closing restaurant, right? And you can set the currency in USD or whatever you feel like it. Also, these are the stages of the lead. So once a new lead is added, it reaches to the new lead stage. Contacted, ready to book, missed, or booked. So for example, here we're missing converted leads. We can even have like requires follow-up, right? And so on and so forth. I'm going to save this for now, and I am also going to dive into. So let's select my latest one. Oh, there we go. All right, so here is where I already have leads into my pipeline. All right, so depending, this can also have automations in it. So if I go ahead here, as you can see, I can select the automation. So status, if the lead has a contacted status, it will automatically apply to all existing leads and put them into the right position. So let's say these are ready to book. Now I do need to actually add a new here, let's say converted leads, and hit save. And I now have this field over here, which if they are ready to book and I have already confirmed them, I'm just going to drag them into the converted leads right here. It's really simple and it's drag and drop, so you can manage this easily, right? Right, so we got converted leads, contacted, converted leads. Everything you need is right here with the pipeline, with the power of pipelines. You can easily manage the leads and their status. You can even CSV export all your leads, PDF export all your leads, or even you can manually create leads inside the leads CRM system. Now, last but not least, we have the agents fields where you can basically create agent accounts. Let's say I'm interested to add one of my sales rep over here. So I'm adding John, and just hit save. And boom, we have our John new agent created over here. Now this is inactive right now, but we do have Tony, which has already is already part of 2 integrations. Now, let's say I want to see exactly how his platform is going to look like. So all I have to do is just log in as John, right? Lead.com, and I'm going to log in as, oh, I'm already logged in as someone. View leads. Let's see. All right. Okay. So this is an agent account. This is how it looks on the other end. So they have access to the campaigns. They can see exactly if they reach out within the first 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, or over 12 hours. All right. So once John receives a new lead, it's going to be added into the campaigns and into the lead section over here. And it's going to tell him where it's subscribed from, some additional information if they are available. We have lead timeline and reminders as well. So you can basically add notes to your leads. So the agent can say close to struck a deal with this lead, right? And it also can submit as a new timeline, so we know exactly what is the status of this. And once this is change the status of the lead, like follow up, contacted, missed, bad, sold, we're just gonna update. But yeah, they can basically add reminders, send emails, send text, SMS, or even call the lead directly using Twilio. So basically, this is something that your agents can basically use to close the leads for you. Oh, I haven't showed you the pages, which I barely want to go ahead and go through with you. So with Pages AI, you can actually get access to all these templates, landing page templates over here, which you can use to simply go ahead and set up quick landing page. Let's say I want to build a project, right? Just gonna hit save over here, create my project, and immediately I'll have access to the beautifully drag and drop. Let me just open this. I have access to a beautiful drag and drop page builder, which I can build directly in ConvertLead to create pages for my clients or to create landing pages for myself. And this is very easy to use. You can simply go ahead and start selling your digital marketing services. Right, today I can even go ahead and modify this, right, and create like, dimensions. And let's say I want to have maximum width of down to 100%, so I make it a little bit wider. Basically, you have a beautiful drag and drop builder where you can create pages, you can drop
stuff in it. Let me just go back here. You have all these beautiful forms and fields that you can simply use with drag and drop.
To wrap this demo up, Prospector AI is more than just a tool. It's your key to unlocking limitless lead generation opportunities. Be the first to harness the power of AI and OSINT on LinkedIn with Prospector AI. Every lead is a potential goldmine. Start your journey to overbooked with schedules and booming businesses today.